Welcome to Alternative Info AI. We've arrived at the cutting edge, where self-driving cars, drones, and advanced robotics test the limits of possibility. Discover how sensors, algorithms, and engineering marvels redefine convenience, safety, and the way we move. Don't be shy. If you like the content, maybe subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. Let's get started.
Imagine a world where cars drive themselves, a world where you can sit back, relax, and let technology take the wheel. No more traffic jams, no more accidents caused by human error, just smooth, efficient travel from point A to point B. This is the promise of self-driving cars, a technology that is rapidly advancing and becoming a reality. Picture robots working alongside us, not just in factories but in offices, hospitals, and even our homes. These robots are designed to assist us, to make our lives easier and more efficient. This is not science fiction, this is happening now. Artificial intelligence and robotics are being integrated into our daily lives in ways we never thought possible. Self-driving cars and advanced robots are rapidly becoming part of our reality. They are being tested and deployed in various environments, from busy city streets to quiet suburban neighborhoods. They promise to change our lives in profound ways, both for better and for worse. On one hand, they can increase efficiency, reduce accidents, and free up our time. On the other hand, they raise concerns about job displacement, privacy, and the ethical implications of relying on machines for critical tasks. Join us as we navigate the complex and fascinating landscape of self-driving cars and robotics. We will explore the latest developments, hear from experts in the field, and consider the potential benefits and drawbacks of these technologies. The dream of self-driving cars is not new. Early attempts at automated driving date back to the mid-20th century. These early systems were rudimentary, relying on magnetic strips embedded in the road. Over time, technology has advanced significantly. We've moved from basic cruise control to sophisticated systems like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. These systems paved the way for the development of fully autonomous vehicles capable of navigating complex environments without human intervention. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Cruise are leading the charge, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in autonomous driving. Robotics has also seen remarkable progress. From simple robotic arms used in manufacturing to sophisticated humanoid robots capable of complex tasks, the field has come a long way. Today, robots are used in a wide range of industries, from healthcare to logistics. Advances in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and sensor technology have enabled robots to become more intelligent, adaptable, and capable of interacting with the physical world in increasingly sophisticated ways. These advancements are blurring the line between science fiction and reality, as robots become more integrated into our daily lives. Self-driving cars and robotics are no longer futuristic fantasies. They're already impacting our lives in tangible ways. Self-driving cars are being tested in several cities worldwide, with the promise of safer roads, reduced traffic congestion, and increased mobility for the elderly and disabled. In the medical field, surgical robots are assisting surgeons with complex procedures, enhancing precision and minimizing invasiveness. Robotic arms are used in manufacturing and logistics, increasing efficiency and productivity. Even in our homes, robotic vacuum cleaners and smart home devices are becoming commonplace, simplifying our daily chores. Despite the incredible advancements, self-driving cars and robotics face significant challenges. Technical hurdles remain in ensuring the reliability and safety of these technologies, especially in unpredictable real-world environments. Weather conditions, unexpected obstacles, and the complex interactions of human drivers present ongoing challenges for autonomous systems. Ethical considerations are equally important. How should self-driving cars make decisions in unavoidable accidents? Who is responsible when a robot makes a mistake? These ethical dilemmas require careful consideration as we integrate these technologies into our lives. The rise of self-driving cars and robotics raises concerns about the future of work. As these technologies evolve, the implications for the workforce are profound. Automation of tasks previously performed by humans could lead to job displacement. Truck drivers, taxi drivers, and factory workers are just a few examples of professions that could be impacted. However, technological advancements have always disrupted the job market. The Industrial Revolution displaced many agricultural workers but also created new opportunities. Similarly, the rise of self-driving cars and robotics is likely to create new jobs in fields such as software development and robotics engineering, emphasizing the importance of education and continuous learning. The future of self-driving cars and robotics is bright with potential. As these technologies mature, we can expect to see significant changes in our cities, transportation systems, and daily lives. Self-driving cars could lead to safer roads, reduced traffic congestion, and increased accessibility for those who cannot drive. Robotics could revolutionize healthcare, manufacturing, and other industries, improving efficiency, productivity, and safety. However, realizing this potential requires careful planning, collaboration between governments, industry leaders, and researchers, and ongoing dialogue about the ethical implications of these technologies. As we stand on the cusp of a new era, we find ourselves surrounded by rapid advancements in technology that are reshaping our world. The rise of self-driving cars and robotics is not just a glimpse into the future, but a reality unfolding before our eyes. It's essential to engage in thoughtful discussions about the role of self-driving cars and robotics. These conversations will impact every aspect of our lives, from how we commute to how we work, and even how we interact with one another. By embracing a balanced perspective and fostering open dialogue, we can navigate these challenges effectively. It's crucial to involve diverse voices, ensuring that the benefits of technology are shared equitably. The decisions we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. Let's choose wisely, ensuring that our technological future enhances human life and promotes equality. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.
Thank you for watching and being part of our journey.